Yo, right back at you, everybody. Today we are back in Skywars, and we are going to do more of the laboratory game mode because I honestly love it. Hello, laboratory game mode. But we are going to be experimenting with Blizzard this time. So use snowballs to kill other players, and snowballs hurt. Dig snow for ammo. Okay, snowballs hurt apparently. And I'm lonely.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows?
Okay, only 8. Okay, never mind. There are like 99 people playing this last time I checked. This is my first lab battle. Well then, welcome to the lab battle. Snow Golem, hey, no, don't try to snowball me. Nerd. Okay, this is probably good. We have 2 snowmen. And this is not good. Well, we have 2 snowmen, so we need to put on our gear. Oh my gosh, this destroys things so fast. Oh geez. Hey, I do not appreciate you. Okay. So basically, I think they're just these normal maps, but they have snow on them, which is cool. I need to get all of this. Oh, geez. Okay. You know what? Don't rely on me to get all your snowballs, okay? Because I cannot do that. Okay, that guy just... Oh, geez. Don't shoot me, please. Yeah! No snowmen for you. I wish I had speed, but I don't. Take all of this! Yay! I'm just gonna take all of these snowballs. Oh, snowstorm. Go to the center island. What did the snowstorm do? What does snowstorm do? Ha! No snowmen! Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I don't even know if armor does that. No! Oh, hi again. Hi, Gary. Gary, get back up here. We're just going to keep Gary. Okay, I don't know what snowstorm does. Oh, jeez! No! I forgot there are snowballs!